Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about two companies. We will see the fundamentals and financials and all the details of those two companies which have given very good returns in the past and in near future also. They have much potential to give good returns. Even they can become multi-bagger stocks in future, and you can make money investors as Crorepati's. So that's why I have given the title Crorepati Stocks. So without wasting the time, let's dive into the video. This is the first company. It has a market cap of just 300 crores and the stock P is 10. So very much undervalued stock because of 10.7% stock P. ROC is 13.2, decent ROC and decent ROE, and book value is also very low. So current price is around 13 rupees, trading around 13. So it has made an high of 13.8 and 355. So it's almost trading near the high. So there is no dividend yield and face value is 1. So the company's basic details. Now let's look at the financials. So profit and loss of the company. So in 2015 it has done sales of 272 crores. So it's already nearly 300 crores in 2015. From there 258, 399, 385, 326. So it's increasing year to year. And 2020 there is a little dip in the sales, and then again it pick up to 274 and then 460, and in last year 513 crores. So you can see there is a from 270 crores to 513 crores. It is a good growth in sales. If you see the operating profit, oh, it's very nice. So 31 crores in 2015 to 8120, again dip and up, and so in last year it has made profit of 58 crores. So a decent profit rise in the from year to year. So OPM is also very good, 11, 12, 13, 15%. So it has a good OPM also. So if you look at the net profit also, it is almost, so last year it has done 36 crore profit. Before it was in 2015 it was 9 crores. So from 9 crore to 36 crores, a good increase in the profit also from year to year. It's a good profit making company. I think the price of this company to the financials is very undervalued, because so it is trading around 10 to 12 rupees, and it is making a sales of 500 crores per year. So it's, I think the price is very less valued. So that's why it can give very good returns in near future also. So if you see the shareholding pattern, so promoters has 69% promoters and 31% public. So it has a very good shareholding pattern also. So the look at the name of the company. So this company is Madhava Infra Projects Limited, is in the business of infrastructure development and solar power generation. So you can note down this point, solar power generation. So this is absolutely in a booming sector. So this company is into the booming sector. It can give multi-bag returns in future because of the sector. So for another 5 years this sector will be booming, and this company is fundamentally looking very strong. So definitely keep in watch list this stock and have a study about this stock. Company has market cap of 2500 crores, stock P is 75, so higher. ROC is 12.8% and ROE is 10.2, book value is 26. Right now it is trading around 250. So it has made an high of 52 lakh 328 rupees and 52 low of 38.7 rupees. So dividend yield 0.07% and face value 10. So let's see the profit and loss sales of this company. So in 2012 it has done sales of 227 crores, and then 13 327, 376, 344, 271, 313, 572 in 2020, and last year 600 crores, 598 means 600 crores nearly. So you can see from 200 crores to 600 crores, massive increase in the sales from year to year, a good growth in sales of this company. So operating profit you can see from 30 crores to 62 crores in the last year. So OPM you can see about 10%, 9 10 above, very good OPM. So let's see the net profit of this company. So from 15 crore to last year 22 crores, there is an dip and again increase. So you can see that there is a growth in profit and sales also. So in both parameters you can see the growth in this company. So let's see the shareholding pattern of this company. So we can see 70.97% shareholding of promoters in this company, and public 29%. Even there is a little bit DIS, and right now there is no DIS, but as a good shareholding pattern also. So financially and fundamentally looks strong. So let's see the nature of business of this company. This company is incorporated in 1994. So its name is Picadillo Agro Industries. Is into the manufacturing of sugar and distillery products, along with three its associate companies. So this is the main key factor of this company. So distillery factories, that is into the manufacturing of production of liquors. So it has a brand by name Whistler and Indri. I think you all know that Indri has got a recently international award for the best whiskey manufacturers of this year. So it's been given a wonderful returns in last 1 year, and in lifetime it has become a big multi-bagger, and in even future it has potential to give good returns to their shareholders. So definitely keep in watch stock Picadillo Agro Industries, the name of this company is. So keep in watch list this stock and have a good study about this stock. So by saying this, we will end this today's video. Next in again meet in next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.